In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add color to a text box in Microsoft Word. If you have a text box in your Microsoft Word document and want to make it more noticeable, you can easily add a background color using the Shape Format options. This is useful for headings, labels, announcements, forms, and other documents where you want specific information to stand out. First, open Microsoft Word and open the document where you want to add color to a text box. If you don't already have a text box, go to the Insert tab at the top of Microsoft Word. Select Text Box, then choose one of the available text box styles. Once the text box has been inserted, click on its edge to select the entire text box. When the text box is selected, Microsoft Word will display the Shape Format tab at the top of the window. Click the Shape Format tab to view the formatting options for the text box. Next, look for the Shape Styles section. To add a background color to the text box, click Shape Fill. A color menu will appear with several color choices. Select the color you want to use for the background of your text box. The color will immediately be applied to the inside of the text box. If you don't see the exact color you want, you can choose More Fill Colors to select from additional color options. You can also use the Shape Outline option to change the color of the border around the text box. Click Shape Outline and select the color you want. If you don't want a border around the text box, open Shape Outline and choose No Outline. You can also adjust the thickness of the border by selecting Shape Outline, then choosing Weight. Select the line thickness that best matches your design. Now, click inside the text box and review the text against the new background color. If the text is difficult to read, select the text and use the Font Color option on the Home tab to choose a more suitable text color. For example, a darker background may work better with light-colored text, while a lighter background can work well with dark text. You can also resize the text box by selecting its edge and dragging one of the handles. Move or resize it until the text box fits properly within your document. Continue adjusting the fill color, outline, and text color until the text box has the appearance you want. Once you're satisfied with the result, click anywhere outside the text box to return to your document. And that's how you can add color to a text box in Microsoft Word. Using Shape Fill, Shape Outline, and Font Color gives you control over the appearance of your text box and helps important information stand out. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel,